Ka Jinghikai bangin nang ban Kren Phareng. Lada pio jing mentoy na kane ka video wanam klet ban pen step by step kanang ba pin yo jing mentoy na kane ka video wanam klet ro ban like share and subscribe ya kane ka channel wanam klet ro ban share lam shiki perlak la ne hing hasam chong pi kata ngin sang no. Time is slow when you wait. Kapor kaslam haba pi up. Time is fast when you are late. Kapor kastet haba pi slam. Time is short when you are happy. Kapor kalengkot haba pigment. The problems is we think we have time, but we don't have. Kajing kalang ba ngi berkat bangi don ya kapor henre ngindan. Time is precious things. Kapor kalang kabakor dor ba. Time is not wait anyone. Kapor come up yeno ro. Always be a time. Tolong barabor kiba biangpor. Your future are in your hands. Kalasay kadon hakti jongpi. I thought it was mine. Nga dang mod kadai kajonga. The best way to learn any language is to try. Kababiang ba bangin nang ya kano kacay ktin kalong bangin persyang. It does not matter if we know only few words. Compare lada ngitip tang kendiat ki kentin ro. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. What thing ban pen me ya gijing bakla. If we want to speak English, lada pikwa ban Kren Phareng. Speak a little English every day. Kren Phareng kendiat man la kasni. It will help you. Kan yarab yapi. We try to help you as much as we can. Ni persyang ban yarab yapi kat kiba ngila. The rest is your. Kabasa kadai kajongpi. Every people want to know. Manla ubriu ukwa pantit. But very few want to learn. Henry tang kendiat ngot kibakwa banang. The more you try, the more you learn. Kat ba pidang persyang, kat ba pidang nang. Lada pio jing mentoy na kane ka video wan nam klet ban share lam seki perlak la ne hayang hasam jongpi wan nam klet ro ban kersyan lam yanga dewa subscribe ya kane ka channel kayonga wan nam klet ro ban pik step by step kanang ba pin yo jing mentoy na kane ka video. Sngop ha check ya kane ka video la bun pha nga la dep upload hakane ka channel kanang ba pin tip pin nang ya kaktin English suki pasuki tang kata kulay.